In BMW's world, a competition sport or a CS version of a car signifies its high-performance model designed for both daily driving and track use. It's usually lighter, has better suspension, and lots of carbon fiber. All that in a car that you should be able to still take to work on the weekdays, depending on your tolerance for potential noise and ride comfort. The 2025 BMW M4 CS is making its return, premiering at Laguna Seca for those looking to get the second most ultimate driving M4. The CS fits between the M4 Competition Coupe and the CSL, and it currently holds the title of second fastest production BMW at the Nürburgring. The car can lap around the track in 7 minutes and 21.99 seconds, making it supremely close to being the fastest production BMW at the Green Hell. That distinction is still held by the BMW M4 CSL, which turned a 7 minute and 20.20 seconds lap back in 2022. That's a 1.79 second difference. At the heart of the CS is an upgraded 3-liter twin-turbocharged S58 Line 6, running higher at 30.5 psi boost pressure to achieve 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. To handle higher pressure inside the engine is upgraded by using strong block without sleeves and a closed top. This provides better support for the lightweight crankshaft. The cylinder head is made from a 3D printed core to allow cooling channels to flow more optimally around the head and improve its thermal management. The oil system is also improved to handle intensive track day conditions, like the high-speed turns and long periods of high RPM. The engine uses special mounts that are sturdier than those in the standard M4, which helps transfer more torque to the drivetrain. It's paired with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission and all-wheel drive. With extra power and all-wheel drive, the M4 CS is set to accelerate to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, reaching a top speed of 188 miles per hour. Even though the M4 CS has all-wheel drive, the XDrive system mainly sends engine power to the rear axle using multi-plate clutch in the transfer case. Of course, all that power and all-wheel drive powertrain would be useless if the suspension wasn't made for maximum traction too. The suspension, variable ratio steering and braking systems all are unique to the 2025 M4 CS. These systems and the stability control system with M dynamic mode are all designed to start pushing back when it's detected the driver is pushing too much. The good news is that instead of holding the drivers back, the system works to keep the car going down the road as fast as possible. For some additional rigidity in the front suspension, an M-strut brace is added and made using cast aluminum. To slow down the M4 before entering a corner is fitted with M compound brakes. These brakes come with calipers painted in either red or black. If you are rich enough to choose the carbon ceramic brakes, you can get a gold finish instead of black. This feature is optional, which is weird and not standard because they save weight and offer better performance, and this is necessary for a track-focused version of the car. Well, they want to make even more money, I guess. Either way, they peek out from behind a set of M4 CS exclusive 19-inch front and 20-inch rear forged aluminum wheels, while you can option them in gold, bronze or matte black finish. One important aspect of a CS model is reducing weight wherever possible. In the case of the 2025 M4 CS, this involves replacing heavy parts with carbon fiber. This material is used for roof, hood, front splitter, front air ducts, exterior mirror caps, rear diffuser, and gurney-style rear spoiler. Even the exhaust system is lighter by 8 pounds compared to the standard M4 exhaust, thanks to its titanium rear silencer. Although it might feel disappointing to cover up those exterior carbon elements, the M4 CS offers two BMW individual colors, Riviera Blue or Frozen Isle of Man Green Metallic. Currently, Frozen Isle of Man Green is exclusive to the 2025 M4 CS, but it might become available on other BMWs with BMW individual finishes soon. Alternatively, you can choose Brooklyn Gray or Black Sapphire Metallic. The good news about those carbon parts though is that the roof and two stripes running the length of the hood will be bare carbon. Additional distinctive exterior feature for the 2025 CS includes frameless kidney grills, resembling its M4 GT3 racing cousin. Red counterlines and the M4 CS badging will adorn the upper part of two horizontal grille bars. A similar badge will be located on the trunk lid. The headlights of the 2025 M4 CS are also unique, using yellow light during the welcome animation and when high and low beam is active, reminiscent of its GT3 racing inspiration. Carbon fiber features heavily inside the M4 CS too, forming the shift pedals, front carbon seat frames and other trim elements. elements. Those hits are wrapped in merino leather with black and red scheme. If you're curious how all these carbon fiber elements impact the M4's weight, in total the M4 CS is 77 pounds lighter than the M4 Competition X-Drive. Like other 2025 M4s, the CS features a new curved display that is composed of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and 14.9-inch touchscreen. BMW will start building the 2025 M4 CS in July 2024 at its plant in Dingolfing, Germany. The M4 CS will start at $120,000, roughly $40,000 more than the Competition Coupe, and around $16,000 less than the starting price of the 2023 M4 CSL. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.